morning. It is May 31st. This is our morning update. Looking at what's happened overnight, we have the grains right now up across the board. Cotton is down a small amount. Crude oil is down, and crude oil is down a good bit. It certainly gets your attention when you see it down over $1 this early in the morning. We also have precious metals mix, the dollar down. Global stock markets, Asia is somewhat mixed, but mostly down. Europe is up. In the U.S., it's up. Looking at slower economic data coming out of Europe right now. Chinese economic data surprised people a little bit. Their manufacturing index held up, so that's been a positive sign for them. We'll get to our crop progress numbers in just a second, but let's look and see where we are. Cotton market just seems to be stuck in a range, very volatile up and down, but not moving a lot, just not being able to sustain a move either direction right now. We've got July cotton down 11, well now down 10 at 77.16. The high 77.35, the low is 77.05. That's a 30-point range overnight. I don't know that I've ever seen it that tight, but that's really slow. We've got July soybeans up 2 3/4 at 915.5, a high of 920.5, a low of 909.5. July corn up 4.5, seeing a good bounce there at 371.5, a high of 371 3/4, a low of 369. July wheat up 3.5 at 433, a high of 435.25, a low of 431. We have crude oil down $1 at 48.65. The dollar is down 14. Gold up 3, silver down 6, and the S&P futures are up 5.2. Looking at crop progress, we've got in soybeans 63% of the crop is planted. Now normally this time of the year we have 64%, so we're right on target. 7% of the cotton is squared. We've got soybeans 67% planted. Normally this time of the year it's 68% planted, so right on target there. 37% of that crop is emerged. The average for this time of the year is 40%. Corn planting at 91%. This time of the year we're usually at 93%. 73% emerged versus an average normally of 75% emerged. And in the good to excellent category, it's 65% good to excellent for corn. Spring wheat is 96% planted. This time of the year is normally 91%, so we're wrapping up planting there. 79% of the crop is emerged versus an average this time of the year of 74%. And in the good to excellent category, spring wheat is 62% good to excellent. Calendar for today. Last day of the month, Chicago PMI at 9 o'clock, API energy stocks at 3:30, and that oftentimes or recently has definitely had an effect on crude oil prices. That's it. Have a good day, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you.